Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of Canva templates. If you're looking to create and sell digital products, Canva is a fantastic tool that allows you to design editable templates that can generate passive income. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather inspiration. Before you dive into creating your template, it's helpful to see what's already out there. Browse platforms like Etsy to explore popular designs. For example, if you're designing a business thank you card, look at what top sellers are offering. Take note of trends in colors, fonts, and design elements. Step 2. Create your design. Now, head over to Canva and start a new project. Select Create a Design and choose Custom Dimensions. For a thank you card, set it to 5.5 inches by 4.25 inches. On the left side, you'll find options to add text. Input your message, like, "Thank you for your purchase." Customize the font, size, and spacing to fit your style. Next, add some visual elements. Look for a brush stroke or watercolor background. Ensure it contrasts well with your text to maintain readability. Step 3. Use only free elements. It's crucial to use only free elements in your design. Canva offers both free and paid options. Free elements are marked without a crown symbol, while paid elements will require buyers to pay to remove watermarks. Stick with the free options to make your template more attractive to potential buyers. Step 4. Add design features. Enhance your design with additional features. Insert a placeholder frame for a logo, sized at 1.5 vals 1.5 units, and include text like, "Your logo here," to guide buyers. Add social media icons for Instagram, Facebook, and email. Ensure these icons are uniformly sized and styled. Use Canva's alignment tools to ensure everything is spaced evenly and looks professional. Consider adding a vertical line as a separator. Customize its style and thickness to match your design aesthetic. Step 5. Add a border. To finalize your design, create a border at the bottom of the template. Add a square element, adjust its color, and size it to complement your design. Step 6. Generate a shareable link. Once your design is complete, it's time to generate a shareable link. This link will allow buyers to access and edit your template, save your design, and create the link in Canva. Step 7. Prepare a delivery PDF. To deliver your template, create a new design for a PDF. Customize this PDF with your branding colors and add instructions like "Thank you card template." Include a placeholder for a screenshot of your design. Insert the shareable link into the PDF. Step 8. Final steps. Finally, download the PDF as a print-quality file. This PDF will be what you provide to your buyers, giving them access to the editable Canva template via the link. And there you have it. You now know how to create and sell Canva templates.
Join now. Watch and earn up to 5 million tokens every day on Telegram at +go_in.